So we start with the chapter units and measurements. Okay, basically we deal with the basic units and the measurement in this chapter. So what are units? It is a standard used for the measurement of a physical quantity. Okay, whatever physical quantities are there, we measure it in some standards, that is centimeters, meters, kilograms, seconds. Those are called as the units. So we have different systems of units in it. We have CGS system, MKS system, SI system, and FPS system. CGS mainly defines the centimeter, grams, and seconds. MKS defines meter, kilograms, and seconds. SI is same system as that of the MK system. MKS system. SI is system international, which is accepted internationally worldwide, and that system is the MKS system. FPS is the foot, pounds, and seconds. That is the mass is measured in foots, and the length is measured in foots, the mass is measured in pounds, and the time in seconds. Okay, so we have some basic fundamental quantities. So these quantities which do not depend on any other physical quantities for their measurement are called as the fundamental quantities. Basic, there are 7 fundamental quantities. Those are the length, those are mass, those are time, temperature, electric current, luminosity, and amount of a substance. Whereas the length we measured in meters, mass is in kilograms, time is in seconds, temperature in Kelvin. Also, then we have electric current measured in amperes. Then we have luminous intensity, that is in candela, CD, and the amount of substance in moles. Okay, these are the fundamental units, that is units used for measuring the fundamental quantities. Next, we have the dimension analysis in the units and measurement chapters. These are the dimensions of a physical quantity. These are the powers to which the fundamental quantities are raised to obtain the units of a given physical quantities. Okay, so in a specific dimension, in a specific fundamental quantity, there is a raised to a power. There we have a power to which this dimensions are raised, so that we can define that physical quantities. Okay, these things are used for basically to correct a physical equation. They are used to find the conversion factors between some physical quantity to a different physical quantities. So we have speed, which is defined as distance upon time, and distance we have only length, so L becomes 1, M becomes 0, T becomes 0. In time we have only T, so T becomes 1, L 0, and M 0. After dividing, T goes upward, so T becomes minus, so the dimensions for speed becomes m0 L1 T raised to minus 1. Also, in order to convert any factor into a different factor, that is 1 Newton, we don't know how much dynes, so we can write 1 Newton is x dynes. So we have the formula for Newton, we have the dimensions for Newton, that is m1 L1 T raised to minus 2. We can convert it into kgs, meters, and seconds, and below we have grams, centimeters, and second. We convert one factor to the above, that is 1000 grams is equals to 1 upon g, 100 centimeter upon centimeter, and 1. So we get that 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dynes. So in this way we can use this dimension analysis to get a conversion factor for some physical quantity to another